Yeah, it's have you heard of it? Insta 360?
I think I have.
Yeah. Okay.
But I heard that was the name of the camera.
It's both. It's the name of the company and the camera. Well, this is a nice park. Ooh. Oh, wow.
Which one you want?
Let's see the water first. This is probably one of the bigger parks in the city.
Yeah, I've only been to when I first came here in the beginning, and I didn't explore that because it was too big.
Looks like a really big park. Left or right? I guess we can just go this way. Yeah, that's one of the things about China is that every park is so different that I go to. Like some focus on the vegetation, some focus on the landscape like mountains, and some focus on the architect, like the old Chinese style architecture. So this one looks like a mix, and some have a big pond too, and I like that too.
Big one?
A pond, yeah. Because in Canada, I wouldn't even care about parks at all, because they're very plain and boring.
Is it like history as well?
Not yet. Not yet. I don't have enough background to, because I don't know any history. It doesn't make sense to learn just bits and pieces. I'd have to actually look through everything to get the interest going. But I mean, like modern history, I sort of understand, and that's more what I would be interested in, like within the last 50 years. And that's like more the modernization of what China started from to what it is now, sort of thing. But then I have guides that are telling me about the different dynasties and things like that, and I don't have any clue. Do you learn any of that history?
Nope.
Yeah, so yeah, so I mean, it's hard for me to understand. Like, I was in Shanghai, and then the guide took me to a park where they grew Chinese medicine, which I found very cool. And then she tried to explain to me the history and all the different books that each doctor wrote, and I didn't understand. Like, it was good to listen to, but I didn't really remember much of it.
In my school, there are like levels, right?
Yeah.
If you're in the A level, A is the lowest, and then E is like the highest. And some of my friends, they're supposed to go to A level or A level class, but they told us that the D and A level class, mostly the language that they learn, the words, the vocabularies, are related to China's history.
Yeah.
And so some of them would just, I'm just gonna go to C class.
Yeah.
Yeah, because they just want to learn to
Conversation.
speak, right? Yeah.
That's really all you need.
Like, I don't care about the history, blah blah.
All the complex words you don't really need,
They're not gonna
because
use
that's
that.
not your purpose.
Yeah.
What level are you?
C level.
See, okay. Yeah, that's really all you need. And that's good. Like,
Going home next year.
less than a year. Maybe I can do that in less than a year.
You can do like one semester, so no long-term commitment.
We'll see. We'll see. I don't even know. I gotta figure out everything then. If I could do that. It's pretty limited. Like, you have to, like, you have to have certain grades or something. Is that how you got in, or?
No, so like on the registration day, they're gonna ask you to some words. They're just gonna test you like very casual.
Oh.
They're gonna decide which classes. And on the first week, you're allowed to try other classes. Like if they assign you to B class, for example, and you feel like, oh, it's too easy for me or it's too hard, and you want to try the A class. Or
Did you start at A or did you?
I started A intensive. So they have like intensive class and regular. Regular is like.
I hate school so much though. I don't know if I'll walk across the bridge first. Yeah. I don't know if I can go back to school. I hate school.
You don't like studying?
No, I hate studying. Oh man. You like studying? It's okay?
It's okay.
Okay. Oh man.
But I can't wait to work.
Yeah. The only good thing about working is that you get money.
Yeah.
Working also sucks. But it's still okay.
At least you get money.
Yeah, that's at least you get money. I know, that's why. I think you actually work harder studying than you do at work.
Is this your first time solo traveling? Or have you done it before?
I guess I've done it before.
Where to?
But not like this. Usually I would travel to visit.
Oh, I'll visit like a friend.
Yeah, so I had a friend in Thailand, so I went to Thailand for 4 weeks. But that was after Hong Kong, so I had a wedding to go to in Hong Kong. My cousin got married, and then I went to Thailand after that. So, but I was solo, but I went to visit. This is solo, not knowing people in the city, so it's a little bit different. I think if I knew someone in Shanghai, I think I would like Shanghai more, but I really didn't. Well, I didn't mind Shanghai, but it's probably my least likable city so far. Oh, it's so nice here.
Came at the right time. Like the weather is chilly.
Yeah, not too hot yet. I hope it doesn't get too much hotter. Yeah.
Like it was like 2 weeks ago. It was getting pretty cold.
Oh, I like cold.
Oh, you like cold?
In Asia cold is perfect for me.
Yeah.
Like what, 10 degrees?
Not that low yet.
Oh, okay.
78.
Oh, that's perfect for me. I was in Hong Kong and it was so hot. So I was like trying not to go out too much because it was too hot.
So you stayed in?
No, I still went out.
Oh,
I just had to prepare, had to bring like cold drinks and a towel to wipe my sweat and stuff. But yeah, just because I grew up in Canada, it's like so not hot and not humid like this. So.
Is it somewhere in Canada hot? Or is it still not as hot?
My part of Canada is the most extreme. So our cold goes to like minus 30 to plus 30.
Have you heard of Harbin?
Yeah, Harbin,
I
yeah.
heard it's also like minus 40.
Yeah, so it might be like that. But then there's other stuff that happens as well. When you have minus 30 and then there's a wind, there's something called a wind chill. So it'll be minus 30, but it'll feel like it's minus 40, minus 50. So,
Super windy.
yeah. It's nice. Is it like this in Indonesia too, like their parks?
I don't think so. Indonesia, it's really, at least in my city,
Yeah.
in Jakarta, it's really hard for us to like walk. Like the space, they don't have that. Like even like trottoirs, like the roads for walking.
Yeah.
Like they have it a lot in here, right? Even by on this side of the street.
Yeah.
But in Indonesia, there is not much.
No way. Oh.
That's why it's really not. It's such a not a walkable city.
Oh. So you would take the subway then? Or car? Okay. Is the economy good in Indonesia right now? No. No?
Economy is bad right now.
Oh no. Oh.
But the